Hey guys, this is Ganesh. Welcome to Ganesh Jadhav AutomationStudio. So today we are going to learn about how to install IntelliJ IDEA on our machine. So yeah, this is our topic. Uh, Most probably everyone and nowadays everywhere you heard about the IntelliJ IDEA, so which is very popular, which is very interesting tool and easy to use. These kind of things mostly you heard everywhere. But before installation of IntelliJ IDEA, we are going to learn about little bit about the Eclipse because of before IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse mostly most of the people was using, but gradually nowadays they are switching from Eclipse to IntelliJ IDEA. So what is a Eclipse? So today we are going to learn little bit about it. So Eclipse is nothing but it is also a tool which is used for the software development and especially for the automation as well. So Eclipse is an open source IDE for developing applications using Java, Python, Ruby, C, C++. These many languages these IDEs supported. And this is specially uh, managed by IBM, and this tool released in 2001 under the Eclipse published license, and it became popular soon for developing free and commercial web projects. So that is why Eclipse was using. So if so, I'm just opening the Google Chrome browser, and here I'm going to search Eclipse tool. Eclipse. Eclipse tool. Now here you can see this is Eclipse tool I'm having, and you can see this is the official website of Eclipse tool. If you wanted to download any file of Eclipse tool, you can simply open this website and you can simply click on this download. So you will get an multiple versions which are available of the Eclipse, and you can simply download and you can simply install. But now today we are going to learn how to install IntelliJ IDEA, because this is very popular nowadays, and for our automation courses as well, like Selenium or API automation, we are specially using this IntelliJ IDEA only. So what is meant by the IntelliJ IDEA, and what exactly IntelliJ IDEA means? Okay, so IntelliJ IDEA, this is also a software tool which is used for the code writing. So IntelliJ IDEA is most powerful, popular, and fully features IDE for Java developers, which was released for in public 2001. So this is also released in 2001, but gradually he picked up the market, and nowadays mostly people switches from the Eclipse to IntelliJ IDEA. So it is developed and maintained by JetBrains company. So the ownership of this IntelliJ IDEA maintained by the JetBrains company. So another tool also they are having like Android Studio. That tool also maintained by the JetBrains company. So and it is licensed by the Apache 2.0. So this is licensed by the Apache 2.0. So this is meant by the IntelliJ IDEA. So now I'm going to search you again. I'm opening the Google Chrome browser. I'm searching the IntelliJ IDEA here over here, and you can see this is the IntelliJ IDEA tool. This is the official website of the IntelliJ IDEA, jetbrains.com, and there is one submodule over there, IDEA. So here you can see this is an user interface of IntelliJ IDEA. Now, if you wanted to download particular version, so you can simply click on the download option. Okay, once you click on the download option, you can see there are two type of IntelliJ IDEA we are having. Which one? First one is ultimate and second one is community. So we are going to learn here what is meant by the ultimate and what is meant by the community. Both things we are going to learn today here. So this is the first thing. So what is meant by the ultimate? So let's quickly switch on our new slide. So so as I already told you, IntelliJ IDEA is available into two editions. First one is Ultimate Edition and second one is Community Editions. So about the Ultimate Edition has the most advanced set of features for developing web and desktop applications. So this is the most advanced edition, we can say that. So it supports the integration of Spring Framework, web development framework like Node.js, Angular, and React, Java Enterprise Edition, support such as JSFs, JAX, RS, JPA, CDI. So these many terms, these many things supported by the Ultimate Edition. And to be very honest, guys, this tool is paid. This edition is paid. So if you wanted to use this tool, if you wanted to use this ultimate edition IntelliJ idea tool, so you must need to pay something to JetBrains company. So this is the first thing. So again, I'm opening this IntelliJ idea website. So this ultimate website, if you can see, this is the free 30-day trial version. You can see, so for 30 days you can use this tool, but after that you must need to pay something. Okay, and you can see these many, they made a differentiate between the ultimate and commercial versions over there. What are the supports they are providing in the ultimate version? Okay, now we are going to talk about the community version, community edition. Okay, it is available for free and most used for the Java and Android developers. It support most of the language such as Java, Kotlin, which is recently released in 2018 by the Google, and nowadays this Kotlin also very popular, guys. And this is the third official language for the Android application development after the C++ and Java. Then Groovy, it is supported. Then this Slijor, this is also supported. Scala and others many language. This commercial edition tool also supported. It include features like code completion, deep static analytics, intelligent refactoring, debugging, and test runner. So these many supported by the community edition. One more thing I would like to tell over here, guys. So community edition is completely open source, and you don't need to pay anything if you are going to use this community edition of IntelliJ IDEA. So you don't need to pay anything over here. Okay, now let's quickly switch on our official website of the IntelliJ idea. So this is my community version. Here you can see this is the download exe file, and these many. So these four type of community editions supported. So they made clear difference. They shows clear difference between the IntelliJ idea ultimate version and IntelliJ idea community version. Now 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 if I wanted to use the community version, so if I'm click over here download, so latest version will be downloaded over here. So this is the first way. So whenever you wanted to use latest version, you can simply click over here and you will get a latest and stable version. So this is the first thing. And if you wanted to use, so many people using the older versions because of lot of compatibility issue happened between the third party services, like if you are taking an example of the automation, Selenium automation, and if you are using the test ng into that, so a lot of dependency we are having, like if you are using the different listeners, external report, third party APIs we are using. So with the latest IntelliJ IDEA versions, it is not compatible. So mostly people using the older versions. Okay, now if you wanted to find out the older version, so here you can see we are having the options over here, other versions. So if you click on these other versions, you can see you can see all the versions you can see over here. All the versions you can see over here, like since they are released from their first release to latest release, all versions you can see over here. So this is first, this is second term I would like to tell you. So you can see these are the latest version. So all versions they are available here, like on the for the Linux, for the Windows, for the Mac. So here we are having the Windows 11 operating system, and I can install these versions on my machine. So for that, for compatibility issue, I'm using the 2019. Okay, 2019.4, 2019.4, yeah, 2000, yeah, 2019.2.4, this version I'm going to install. So if I wanted to install, so first of all I need to download this version. So for downloading purpose, you just need to click on this windows.exe file. Once you click on this windows.exe file, your install downloading is automatically happening over here. The file size of this IntelliJ idea is around 580 MB, the file size we are having. I'm already having the install on my machine, so I'm going to cancel it, and I'm navigating my downloads option because of this version is already installed. Okay, now I'm just installing. I just need to double click over here on this .exe file. I'm just double click over here. Okay, let's wait a couple of seconds, guys. And one more thing, many people have questions, sir, can we use multiple versions of IntelliJ IDEA in my machine? Yes, definitely we can use, because of right now already I'm having the latest IntelliJ IDEA version installed on my machine, and this is second IntelliJ IDEA versions I'm going to install. So yes, you can use, the clear cut answer is yes, you can use the multiple IntelliJ IDEA versions on your machine as well. Okay, now here you can see the one pop-up notification is open, and here I just need to click on the yes button. Okay, now here you can see the welcome window, IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition welcome window is open, and here you just need to click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, second windows you will get like which destination folder you wanted to choose. So I'm just selecting here, I'm just keep it as it is over here, which is in C drive program files, and JetBrains folders will created over here. I just click on the next button. Once I click on the next button, the next windows you will get. Now here I'm just, so multiple options you can see over here. So like create desktop shortcuts. If you wanted to create the desktop shortcuts, you can simply create the desktop shortcuts as per your convenience, like for the 30-bit launcher, for the 64 launcher. It's completely based on your preference, guys. Then if you wanted to updated path in your system variable, then you can select, but this is no mandatory and this one is no mandatory. So these all above these three options are not mandatory for you guys. Okay, you can select, or you cannot be select, that one is completely fine. Now third options you can see over here, create association. So if you are having the only Java related project, so you can simply click on this checkbox. Now if you are having the Groovy related, if you want to Groovy related support, then you can simply check this checkbox as well. And if you wanted to, so .kt means Kotlin, so if you wanted to support of the Kotlin language also, so you can simply uh, check over here as well. But here I'm just using the Java related association, so I'm simply click on over here. Once this is done, I just click on the next button, and once this is done, I'm clicking on the install button. So the installation is happening over here. Okay, so the installation is happening over here. It will take some time, around few seconds only. So a lot of inbuilt files it is automatically installed because of IntelliJ IDEA is also support for the Android Studio, which is used for the Android application development purpose. So many files it is automatically integrated. Now Git is also integrated over here. You don't need to install separate Git if you are using like separate version control tool. Also, you don't need to install over here. It is by default integrated in IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, it is taking few times, guys. Okay, let's wait for few seconds. The first thing is, and the one of the again important thing I would like to tell you here, if you wanted to install IntelliJ IDEA, so minimum space required around 1 GB or 900 MB space required for it, guys. So please make sure that whenever you are trying to install this IntelliJ IDEA, please make sure that you are having at least 900 MB space in your hard drive, like C drive, D drive, whenever which locations, which location you wanted to install, that is completely uh, based on you. Okay, now it is almost done, guys. It is happening, it is installing so many files. Here you can see installing IntelliJ IDEA installing over here. And a lot of file extracting over here by the IntelliJ IDEA while installation. And yeah, it is ongoing. So IntelliJ IDEA interface is also very good, guys, and it's really easy to use, easy to understand, and lot of different features available of this IntelliJ idea. Okay, and the running point of view also, it is very fast. So it is also store the previous runs in cache. So that one is also benefit of this IntelliJ idea. So it will take some time, and it is in final stage, guys. uh, you can see, even it is automatically install the dependencies of the Maven, a lot of features like Kotlin, Groovy related dependency, it is automatically installed. Okay, okay. So whether you are selecting the association of Groovy and Kotlin, that doesn't matter. It is it. So this IntelliJ idea is installing the dependencies automatically, guys. So here you can see a lot of dependencies like Maven related dependency also, it is installed automatically. So here you don't need to create or a separate Maven file in your IntelliJ idea, like from the marketplace. It is automatically installed over here, and here you can see Kotlin related stuff also, it is automatically installed. So right now you observe in our welcome studio, I mean to say on that third or fourth slide, we haven't select that option like Kotlin and Groovy, but still it is downloading. Okay, still because of those are the inbuilt feature like Kotlin, RAM, Maven, Groovy. These all are the inbuilt functions, inbuilt features of the IntelliJ idea. So that is why it is automatically installing. Like this is the protobuf related language, protobuf related stuff is also installing. So probably most of the people are aware what is the protobuf. So this is the official language of the Google, which is used for the uh, JSON related this language is used for the JSON related data. So this protobuf language is provide you the well structured data after the after the after the hitting the request and response. So we are in the final stage, guys, and I think this IntelliJ IDEA is successfully installed on our machine. So this is how the final completing window we will get. Now I wanted to run this IntelliJ IDEA. I'm simply click on this, so it will run automatically, and I'm clicking on this finish button. So you can see my IntelliJ IDEA is automatically open over here. Okay. Now, now if you wanted to search the IntelliJ IDEA, you can simply search over here like IntelliJ IDEA. So here you can see the two versions. You can see, so this is the first version, Okay, just let me, yeah, in IntelliJ. So here you can see two versions we are having. First one is which is named as a, so this is the latest version we are having, and this is the older version we are having. So both the versions we are using over here. So we can use the multiple uh, multiple IntelliJ IDEA versions in our machine. This is the beauty of the IntelliJ IDEA. So overriding is not happening over here. Okay, overriding is not happening over here. Okay, so this is my window is open. So I already have I'm already having the multiple repos in my version. So here I'm just creating the new project for you, how to create the new project. So for that I just need to click on this create new project, and you can see. So basically I'm going to tell you how to create the new project. So here you can see, if you wanted to create the Java related project, you can simply options, you can simply select the option here like Java. So here on my machine, Java 11 version is installed. So here I'm just selecting the 11 version. Okay, I don't want to uh, I don't need to support of this Groovy language and Kotlin language. So here I just need to click on this Java button. Okay, right now I'm not creating the Maven project as well. I'm just creating the simple plain Java project I need to create over here. So I'm just simply click on this Java button, and here I need to click on this next button. Once I click on the next button, this second pop-up window we will get, like which window, create project from template. So this IntelliJ idea, it's provided some template, Java project template also it is providing. So it's completely optional. You if you are going to select, which is fine, and if you don't want to select this option, then that one is also fine. So here I'm not selecting anything over here. I'm just click on this next button. Once I'm clicking on the next button, here you can see project name and project location you can see over here. So here I'm just selecting the project name. I'm just writing down the project name like Ganesh Jadhav automation automation studio. So this project name I'm providing over here, and I'm simply click on this finish button. Once I click on the finish button, you can see, you can see this this is how my IntelliJ idea will open. Now here on the left hand side, here you can see projects options. You can see over here I just simply click on this project option, and I'm navigating my project. So this is the two folders is created. This is for the ideas, idea tool specific, and whenever I wanted to write down some code, this is the in the src folder I can write down this code. So here I just need to create this subfolder over here, which is named as I'm just creating the package. What is meant by the package, I will tell you in my upcoming videos, guys. So I'm just creating here package which is named as a com, and another package I'm going to create which is named as a uh, uh, Ganesh Tech. Okay, this package I'm going to create over here. Once this is done, I'm creating the new class, first class I'm going to create over here. So how we can create the class over here? Simply select the package and right click over here and click on this new button. Once you click on this new button, here you can see Java class options you will get. So I'm just clicking on the Java class option, and I'm providing here, I'm just giving here the name which is name as, so first Java Java class. So this is class name I'm providing over here, and I'm just click on over here. So this is options kind like class. So here multiple options you can see like interface, enum, annotation. So here I just need to select this class option and click on this OK button. Once I click on this OK button, my new class will be created over here. Here you can see new class will be created over here. Now here I'm going to tell you. So this is how we are creating the class. Okay, so here you can see some name. I'm not following the proper format over here. So I'm just need to refactor this class name. So if I should be I should be in small letters over here. So these are the some rules and protocols of the Java language. Okay, now here I'm simply write down the main method and I'm just printing the one statement which is named as a hello Java. That's it. Okay, so here I am just writing the SOUT, the shortcut for the control plus spacebar. Okay, so before SOUT I just need to write down the main method. So shortcut for this control plus spacebar, and I need to hit the enter. So main method completely write down over here. Now same for printing this statement on the console. For console purpose, we must need to write down the system.out.println. So there is also shortcut available, like I just need to write down SOUT. Okay, O is not working for me. So SOUT, again same format, control plus spacebar, and I need to press the enter button. And in the double quoted, I need to write down hello Java. That's it. Okay, and I am so this is the simple program I'm writing down over here, and I wanted to run this program. So there are multiple options available for running this program. First options you can see over here. This is the first option. Okay, this is the first option on your here you can see this is the play button. So you can simply run over here. This is the first option. Then second option, this will be the second options you will have. Then third option, this will be the third option. So multiple options we are having if you wanted to run this program. So I'm just simply run this program, and you can see what will happen. So it is building the project, probably indexing also happening. So it is building my project, because this is newly created project. So it is checking all the dependencies, all parsing are happening over here. And once this is done, here you can see the project is running and my hello Java is printing. Okay, so my hello Java, whatever string I provided over here, which is printed on the console log. So this is how we can install IntelliJ IDEA on our machine. How This is how we are creating the first project from the scratch in IntelliJ IDEA tool. And this is the example for how to create the first class in the IntelliJ IDEA tool, and how to run this class, guys. So this is what I wanted to tell you. uh, Whatever links I just searched it in this video, I just provided in this description, video description. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.